Good afternoon, everybody. This is Parrot. All right, guys, I've got a grape for Freedom. Freedom, you want this grape? Freedom, look. Look, I'm holding you out a grape. Look. So silly. Freedom. Freedom, do you want to come down for a grape? Come on. Freedom, come on. I'm trying to lure him down to the travel cage. Freedom, look what I have for you. Look, I'm holding up a grape. Freedom. Hello. Hello. Freedom, look. You're not looking. He's not even looking toward me. Freedom. Oh, he's coming down. He's coming down. There he goes. Look what I have for you. Freedom, look. Desperate for a transfer. All right, Freedom.